I survived the crypto apocalypse of 2018. And man, was it a crazy year watching, cryptocurrency prices like Bitcoin and Ethereum plummet from their all-time highs. But I survived, and so did blockchain technology. Despite all the price dropping, blockchain technology is still moving forward. And so is this YouTube channel, thanks to you all. So hey, I'm Gregory from Dapp University, and if you're interested in building blockchain technology, you can head over to my website at dappuniversity.com/free download to download all my courses for free. So yeah, 2018 was a crazy year for cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in general, but despite the price going down like crazy, the technology is still moving forward, and so is this YouTube channel, so is Dapp University. And that's what I want to talk about in this video, is sort of like where blockchain is going to go in 2019, and also like what I'm doing with this channel to help educate you all on how to build blockchain technology. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you. The first big thing that's going to happen in 2019 for this channel that I'm excited to talk about is going to be a big course that I'm going to launch. And that's something that you all have asked me about a lot. You said, hey, when is this going to happen? I've had a lot of people email me asking about that. I've had a lot of comments on the YouTube videos. And it's going to come. I'm not exactly sure when just yet, but I want to know from you all what you want to see inside of that course. I've got a lot of really good ideas about things that I want to share, but I kind of want your input on where you all are as developers. So I created a tab on my, I created a poll on my YouTube channel. If you can go to the community tab right here on my YouTube channel, and you can see a question that I just posted. So basically, I'm curious to know who all's watching this channel and, what your background is. So are you a programmer already, and are you trying to learn how to build blockchain applications? Or are you trying to become a developer just at all? Like maybe you don't have much of a programming background and you want to learn software or programming in order to become a blockchain developer, in order to build blockchain applications or to build blockchains or whatever. So those are the kind of the first two things that I'm curious about from you all is, what your background is. So if you want to go answer that poll, that would be a huge help for me when I'm starting to create more content for you all. It helps me create better videos for you all, and also helps me craft this course so that I know kind of my audience and who I'm creating the content for. So you can also feel free to email me. My email is always in the description of the videos below. It's gregory@dappuniversity.com. A lot of people email me with questions, and I don't always have time to get back to every question. I try to get back to as many as I can. I've been trying to answer some of them on my YouTube channel here. So maybe I'll be able to do that as well. But yeah, if you have suggestions about what you want to see in a course or on this YouTube channel, feel free to do that as well. And if you want to learn more about, some updates on this course as it's being developed, you can sign up for my email list. I don't talk about this very much on my YouTube channel. I'm probably going to start talking about it more because it's provided a lot of value for people. So if you actually go to my website at dappuniversity.com and you click on the free download button, or you can just go to dappuniversity.com/free download. You can actually enter your name and email, and I give you free downloadable videos for some of my two most popular free courses, which are the Ethereum Dapp tutorial, which is a 2-hour step-by-step tutorial that shows you how to build your first decentralized application on Ethereum and write smart contracts, and also code your own cryptocurrency on Ethereum, to basically show you how to create your own Ethereum token and create your own ICO with smart contracts. So I give you free downloads of those courses that you can't get on YouTube. And, on my email list, I give basically a weekly update. And, as we start getting closer to the course launch date, I'll be giving more updates about that. So if you want to know more about that, get the free videos, head on over to dappuniversity.com/free download. And also, another big update is I'm probably going to release a video soon to update the code for this ultimate Ethereum Dapp tutorial. It's about a year old now, so that video has done really well. I think a lot of people have come to my YouTube channel based on that video. People really like it. So, Solidity has changed a lot. The Ethereum ecosystem has changed a lot. And, some of the code is a little bit legacy now. That's a year old because things change really fast. So I'm probably going to do a video soon where I update that application and kind of bring it up to speed for 2019 so that when more people try to follow that tutorial, they can actually, use code that works. They're not just getting too frustrated trying to figure everything out for themselves. So stay tuned for that video. All right, so I guess the next thing is I want to hear more about what you all want to see on this channel. Recently I did some videos, a series on Solidity. I've done several series on this channel. I did a series on Web3.js that people really liked. I'll see if I can find that. Yeah, it's this Web3.js series. Let's see here. Yeah, here it is. This is a series people really liked. Web3, that's a funny face. Yeah, the Web3.js series did really well. I've got this, series on Solidity that I just started recently, where I can show you how to build, smart contracts on Ethereum step by step. So those videos are still coming out. I think I've got a few more left on that. And, I've also done like several other series. So let me know what y'all, like from those series and if there's another series that you're interested in. I also did another video recently for 2019. It was called the Complete Blockchain Developer Toolkit. You can actually see this, shout out banner on my website here, the Complete Blockchain Developer Toolkit for 2019. And this has a full-length article associated with it on my website. So also, if you've been following along with my YouTube channel, and you haven't seen the articles, I've been posting an article pretty much once a month. That's like a full-length, step-by-step article to accompany, videos on my YouTube channel. And people really like these. Some people have found my website just through Google, through these articles. So if you're not on my email list, that's another thing that you can sign up for, is to find out about these articles whenever they're published and have step-by-step written tutorials that accompany the video tutorials. So yeah, check out that 2019 Blockchain Developer Toolkit to, kind of see a lot of the changes that have happened to the tools for building blockchain applications, like with Truffle, the new changes in the Solidity programming language, some changes in Ethereum, things like that. I've also been doing a lot of new videos on this channel where I'm kind of just bringing you like, news based on changes in the blockchain space, or like new things that are happening kind of from a technical perspective. And some of those videos have done really well. I did a video recently about, the Ethereum network forking. That's the Constantinople hard fork. So you can check that video out if you haven't already to kind of know what that is. Basically, the Ethereum network is going to change. And whenever that change happens, basically a fork happens. And that's going to happen at block, I think it's 7,080,000. So that might already happen by the time this video makes it live to my YouTube channel, but right now we're sitting at block 7,020,000. So it'll probably be several more days before we get there, but basically that's going to have a big change. So if y'all like that video, let me know. If you want to see more videos like that about blockchain technology kind of taking off, and that's what's exciting with this is about this space, is we get to watch this stuff happen in real time over time. So let me know if that interests you all. So that's really all I got for today, guys. I wanted to kind of give you an update about what's going on here and like, what I plan to do in 2019, and kind of want to get your all's feedback. Like I said, I want to make this kind of a casual video today. I haven't been feeling really well. I'm finally just getting my voice back in order to record some videos. So again, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click the like button down below. And that really helps these videos get found so that more people can learn how to build blockchain technology and benefit from all this free content that I'm putting out. And also, be sure to subscribe to the email list if you haven't, so you can find out about these monthly articles and all kinds of stuff about this new course that's coming out. And also, feel free to chime in on this poll that I created on my community tab, where I kind of want to get your feedback on where you're at. Are you a programmer already? Are you trying to learn programming from scratch? Just let me know. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.